guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine. In today's video I'm gonna show you my nighttime skincare routine. So if you wanna know which are the products that I use, then please watch this video till the end, and if you like this video then please don't forget to subscribe. And without further ado, let's start with the video. First of all, I'm gonna comb my hair into a ponytail because I don't want my hair to come on my face while doing my skincare. I'm also gonna use a hairband for the same. I'm gonna start by cleansing my face, and for the same I'm gonna use the Lakme Cleansing Milk Deep Cleanser. I love this cleanser so much. In fact, I have made a separate review video about this cleanser. If you wanna check, then you can go to my channel. The video is available over there. I'm gonna cleanse really gently, and it is very important to cleanse your face while doing your skincare because you don't want that impurities to stay on your face. I'm gonna take some of the cleansing milk on an earbud so that I can remove my kajal nicely. Removing kajal is one of the toughest thing I believe while doing skincare because the kajal doesn't come off really easily, but this technique really helps in removing the kajal. Next, I'm gonna wash my face, and for the same I'm gonna take the Cleansol Anti-Acne Face Wash. This is a really good face wash for those who have oily and acne prone skin. I have made a separate review video on this face wash too, so if you wanna check then you can go to my channel. The video is available over there. After washing my face, I'm gonna dry my face using a clean towel, and I'm gonna do it in a tapping motion and just not rubbing on my face. Next, I'm gonna tone my face, and for the same I'm gonna use the Plum Green Tea Alcohol Free Toner. This is such an amazing toner, guys. I really love this. Taking a nice amount on a clean cotton pad, I'm just gonna rub it on my face. Some people like applying a toner first, applying it on the hand and just dabbing it on the face, but I prefer it doing this way, that is applying on a clean cotton pad first and then just cleaning my face gently with it. Next, I'm gonna use a serum, and for that I'm gonna use the M-Caffeine Green Tea Serum. This is also an absolutely amazing product, guys. I have used almost half of the bottle and I completely am in love with this product. If you have an oily and acne prone skin like I do, then you should definitely check this serum because first of all, this is not high priced at all. It has also helped me with reduction of my active acne. So if you have active acne, this is gonna help you out. I'm gonna leave it on my face for 2 minutes so that my skin absorbs it. And next I'm gonna use a Plum Green Tea Night Clarity Gel. I absolutely freaking love this. You can see how much I've already used this. I'm just gonna take a little on all over my face and gently massage it. And also let me tell you that all the products from the Plum Green Tea range are awesome for especially a skin type like me that is oily and acne prone. The next product you might feel a bit weird because this is the Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Night Cream, but I don't use this all over my face. I use this as an eye cream actually. I used to use this cream as a night cream before, but recently as I have changed all the products for my night skincare routine, so I use this as an eye cream. Next, I'm gonna use the Cleansol Clindamycin Phosphate and Nicotinamide Gel. I hope that I spelled it correctly. I'm not sure though. And I apply this only on the active acne that I have because I feel this is really strong, and when you put it on the acne on the next day you will see that the acne is either gone, either has reduced in size. Next I'm gonna take the Nivea Original Care Lip Balm and apply it on my lips. So guys, these are the products that I use in my nighttime skincare routine. As you know that I have oily and acne prone skin, this products has helped me with reduction of my acne and also has improved my skin texture. And guys, before leaving, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe.